to Django CRM series. So far in this series we have installed Python, VS Code, Git Bash, and most importantly we have set up virtual environment. Today the fun part is beginning. We in this video we will install Django and set up our basic folder structure for this CRM series. By the end of this video you will have a live server on your computer of our project. Let's dive in. First things first, open up VS Code and your terminal. Before we install anything, we must make sure our virtual environment is active. You know it's active if you see the little env or venv in the parentheses at the start of your command line. If you don't see it, type the command and press enter. Okay, now that we are isolated, let's bring in Django. To install Django, we use Python's package manager pip. Type this command pip install Django and hit enter. You will see it collecting packages. It's not just installing Django, it's also installing a few dependencies that Django needs to work, like AS, GIREF, and SQL parse. Once it stops, as you can see, it successfully installed Django and other packages. Now let's create the project. Since we are building a CRM, I'm going to name my project CRM SaaS project. Run this command django-admin start project and our project name. Hit enter. It looks like nothing happened, right? That's good. In Unix and Linux, no news is good news. It means the command ran without errors. Let's look at what we just created. On the left side in VS Code, click your Django project folder. You'll notice something interesting. There is two folders, and inside that there is another folder of same name. The outer folder, this is just a container. You can actually rename this to whatever you want. This file is super important. It's our command line tool. We will use this to run the server, create database, and everything else. This is the actual Python package for your project. Inside the inner folder you see settings.py, where the control, database settings, security keys, and you can also see urls.py, the table of contents for all your websites. All your links go here, and these are for when we go to live production, like wsgi.py, asgi.py. I won't bore you with details of every file today. We have a whole video dedicated to that coming up next. For now, just know that this is the skeleton of your SaaS. Okay, moment of truth. Let's run this thing. First, we need to go inside our project folder where the manage.py file lives. Type cd and project folder name. Now run the magic command python manage.py run server. Hit enter. You might see some red text saying you have 18 unapplied migrations. Don't panic. This is not an error. Django comes with some built-in features like user login system that needs a database to work. We haven't set up the database yet, so it's just warning us. You can ignore this for now. Everything will still work perfectly fine. Look at the bottom of your terminal. It says starting development server at. Boom, there it is, the famous Django rocket ship. If you see this page, it means your installation is correct. Your virtual environment is working and your server is live on your local machine. You have officially started your journey. So we have the installation done and the project created, but for now it's just a generic template. In the next video, we are going to tear apart the folder structure. We will find out what is urls.py, what is settings.py, and how to configure our project. And we step by step configure and write code for our CRM Django project. Drop a comment if you feel any difficulty setting up the project or you find any error. I will help you out. See you in next video.